morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Eurodollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The Eurodollar pair has added 0.1% in the last session. The MACD has transitioned sharply into the positive zone. Twitter stock has fallen 3% in the last session. The ROC has collapsed into the negative zone. The sterling dollar pair has lost 0.1% in the last session. The ADX moved sharply into positive territory. The Aussie dollar pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator shifted into the neutral area.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
The former San Francisco-based crypto exchange Kraken becomes the first crypto exchange to charter a U.S. bank. The Nasdaq 100 index fell 1.25%, despite the Fed signaling no rate hikes through to 2023. The British pound continues to show midweek volatility and has given up recent gains as the BOE spooks markets with negative rate talk.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The U.S. Red Book will be released on Tuesday at 10:55 GMT. New Zealand's interest rate decision Wednesday at 0000 GMT. New Zealand's trade balance Wednesday at 20:45 GMT. The Japanese manufacturing PMI Wednesday at 22:30 GMT. The German business expectations Thursday at 600 GMT, and the UK GfK consumer confidence Thursday at 21:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.